children of Simanchal and their dreams come to the truth. Ikra Public School is equipped with the latest and modern educational infrastructures and facilities such as computer lab, physical education, work education, purified water, 24 hours electricity, hostel facility, transportation for the students and children living at far off places, and all the basic facilities for the student. This school has very balanced and most competent teachers to develop the pillar of our motherland country, India. This school is equipped and provide improvement and progress with education and through education. And so that we pray to Almighty that help us to our last day, that we continue doing something constructive for our country, motherland, India. Thank you so much.